Cryptocurrency is going through a major financial crash. There's no getting around that. From the price dipping, from it being correlated with traditional markets which are dipping, from protocols failing, what we're seeing in cryptocurrency today, if you make it through, you will be able to tell the next generation of crypto participants about. And consider this. 2008 financial crash made more millionaires than it destroyed. Financial crashes tend to redistribute wealth. People that take smart risks and have really thought out their moves tend to make crazy money out of terrible situations. Be greedy when others are fearful. I agree with that. Personally, I've made the most money in cryptocurrency from sticking with crypto during the lowest, most boring times. I'm talking about 2018, 2019, 2020, being in crypto during those low, boring times and sticking with it. So I'm there for the very beginning of the bull run, the middle of the bull run, the end of the bull run, and you never really can tell till, time passes that you were part of it, but the point is you didn't FOMO in too late. Now, let's think of not the worst case, but the slowest case for our bags to go up, for Bitcoin and crypto to enter the next leg up. What's not the worst case, but the slowest case? Every major Bitcoin bull run begins with the halving, but people are too impatient to believe that that's the case. So they just say the halving doesn't matter anymore. Totally foolish. We're about 2 years away from Bitcoin's next halving. That has always been a catalyst, and Bitcoin has always pulled up the rest of the market. But will we even have to wait for the halving? Coinbase weekly volume is actually starting to look decent. It's just hard to think the bear market would end so soon since the 2024 halving is so far away. A recovery is going to be largely dependent on the stock market. Weekly volume could still continue to grow.